Like, I genuinely, like, it's not stopping. You didn't leak? Yeah, I know. Pull your knees to your chest and lean forward. Okay, how does that work?
2x3 Studios donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Hold your breath ATH and drinking 3 big sips.
How does putting your knees to your chest help out with burps?
Nikolai Ska donated €5 through Super Chat. Bulgaria on 3C's ISHOWMEAT.
That means you are growing, bro. Calm down. How does hiccup means you're growing? Bro.
Nesikirantic donated €2 through.
They just said prolonged hiccups can last for days. Chat, what if I got prolonged hiccups? My shit gonna last for days and weeks.